Hello members, this is Mike and we are at Millinocket, Maine, which is Twin Pond Camps, and it's the location of the Star Cam that we build and operate here in northern Maine. And the cameras had to be removed because the area has built a new, or in the process of building a new, it's kind of like a boathouse to hold life jackets and things for water sport. And here's our some of the equipment that's going to go back up, and so that's what we're doing today, and hopefully by the end of today we'll have everything running again. Okay, that is our status update. So we have 3 cameras here. This is the live streaming camera, and then we have a snapshot camera for high fidelity snapshots of stars and aurora. So stand by, we'll be back.